Welcome back to Better Arizona. I'm Amy Bender. For the last little while, we've been speaking with the lawyers at Sloan and Johnson. These attorneys are experts in living wills and trusts. We have learned a lot. Today we're joined by Lora Johnson. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. I think what I'd like to really get into today is, who can draft a living trust? How does this whole system and process work?
Well, we're aware that you can get living trusts on the internet or in other sources, and basically those are forms, some kind of generic form, but just like you and I are different from each other, the trust really should accommodate your individual needs, your individual situation, and really you should be working with an estate planning attorney. It's really important.
If I am going to come and meet with you, how prepared do I need to be? I mean, I think people are just maybe anxious or worried. What are the questions? How do I need to know what to do?
And we understand that. And part of our job is to talk to people because they do procrastinate making these decisions. They're hard. Mm-hmm. So if you come in, part of our job is to talk to you and find out what questions still need to be answered and draw those issues out and make a plan and help you make those decisions. So really you don't need to come in with any decisions already in place.
All right. And what about the initial costs of a consultation like this? How do you work that?
Well, I can't speak for all attorneys' offices, but in our offices and a lot of attorneys' offices, that initial consultation is free, and that gives you an opportunity to meet the attorney and us to meet you and make sure it's a good fit, because that's really important because we're talking about some really personal issues, and you need to feel comfortable with the person you're working with to make these decisions.
How much time does it really take to put together a trust?
In our office, the standard time is usually about 2 weeks, and that's reasonable. If it needs to go faster or it takes a little longer, it can. And some of that depends on how fast we can get the information from the client. But
we've covered a lot of information here today, Laura, but I know you also offer free classes. Am I right?
Absolutely. It's a great way to come and get some good information to figure out what the right answer is for you.
Thanks for your time today.
Thank you.
Information on those classes is available on their website, SaloneandJohnson.com. Their phone number here at their office on 91st Avenue and Indian School Road, 623-505-3903. Better Arizona will be right back.